Before we start this video, can we just appreciate the scenery? Look at this, it's lovely. Right, but today we're going to do a how to install headlights video. I'm going to show you exactly how to take the whole front car apart. I'm not actually going to do it, but I am just going to video the wheel arch, how to take the front bumper off, how to swap the headlights. I'm going to talk a bit about the headlights because these are Energized custom headlights which I got for my birthday, but I'll show you on their website how much they cost and obviously how you can get them, where you can get them from. Okay, so first of all, you have to take off these 4 torque screw bolts here. That doesn't disattach from the front bumper itself. That just enables you to take the whole front bumper off. You don't have to take off the honeycomb grille. That'll come with the bumper, so just leave that in, that's fine. Next, what you want to do is you want to come to the wheel arch. To take off the front bumper, you'll need to take off the 4 torque screws in the wheel arch. They're simple 4 torque screws. You don't need to take off the actual wheel arch. There's one at the bottom, one there, and then one going into the wing. I'll include a video of all the screws you'll need to take out. But it's fairly simple, just 4 torque screws and then the one in the wing. That's probably the most difficult one. You'll have to turn the wheel full lock inwards to get access without sort of jacking it up, but you will need to jack it up anyway. But yeah, I'll include a video on that as well. But yeah, just those 4 there. Next, you have the ones underneath the car. I'll include a video for them, but basically, the under tray of the car, there's about 8 maybe going along. There's like one all over there, and then yet again I'll include a video, but there's just torque screws going all the way along this undershield part that you just need to disattach the front bumper from, with yet again torque screws, and going from there. So once you've taken all the screws off the top, out the wheel arch and underneath, the bumper's ready to come off. The bumper's on sliders here. So there's clips all the way along this bit here. So there's 3 clips here, which you have to try and pry it off. Be careful, because you can crack your bumper. But yeah, it's just a case of prying it slowly off, and eventually it'll go click, 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 and then it'll all come off. And then they're just on sliders, so it's just a case of pulling the whole bumper towards you, and then it'll just slide off, and then doing the exact same on the other side. It might be best to have 2 people, one person, once you've taken that off, to sort of hold it up so it's not on the floor, and then just pry off the other side, exact same, just 3 clips, one there, and one there. Pry it off and then just slide it away, and then the whole bumper will just fall off. So once the bumper's off, the headlights are held in by 3 torque screws. There's one on the top, there's one there, and there's one about here. I'll include a video / photos showing you obviously beneath the bumper where those screws are, but these give you all your fitment. So you know, maybe you start at the top, you then angle the headlight, screw in this one, tighten it up, then pull it up a bit, tighten this one up, and then that will give you your fitment. And obviously then tighten it all up to make sure the headlight is secure. But yeah, it's just 3 torque screws again. So basically you're gonna need one part to do the entire front bumper and headlight to take it out. So the only thing you'll need to do from the back of the headlight is unplug it. My Energized custom ones, aftermarket ones, are the exact same as any OEM ones, which are just plug and play. You plug it in here. There's a little bracket that would normally be here, but I broke it while trying to take mine off. But you'd hold that up and then just literally pull them out. And then, yeah, take the whole headlight out, easy enough. Put the new one in, and then just plug this in. And this controls, obviously, everything and making sure everything works properly. But yeah, that's just that one there. Regarding putting the car back together, once you've screwed in your headlights, the first thing you want to do, obviously, is offer up the bumper. You'll slide it onto the sliders that are here, and that will sort of prop it up. You then want to start off by just clicking it in place with the wing. That will hold it in place from then on. You then probably want to start with trying to get these screws at the top in to make sure the bumper's as high as it should be and tucked in properly. Then do the underneath part, and then do the wheel arches, because the wheel arches will be the easiest, because it'll just be screwing it into the bumper. Then you're done. So these are my aftermarket headlights. I got these from Energized Customs as a birthday present. I'll put a screen recording now of the website. I think they cost £270 or maybe 260. But they are OEM fitment, they're plug and play, as easy as can be. They've got the side lights, They've got the main beam, then the full beam, and then obviously the indicators. They are street legal. They pass the MOT every time. They're absolutely fine. Would recommend them. I think the light output's perfect from the projector beams. And obviously they just look really cool, and they sort of give the car a bit more of a modern look with the sort of the black plastics surrounds, and just that sort of more aggressive look than the sort of standard OEM that you get. I'll put a link in my description for my headlights for anyone who's interested in getting a set. There are plenty of other ones that you can get on eBay and stuff like that, but I do recommend these from Energized Customs. They are good, they are OEM fitment. They're plug and play, as easy as can be. They come with all the bulbs already in, although I've changed mine to HIDs anyway, just because I like the brighter bulbs. But yeah, I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed that sort of how to change your headlights and how to remove the front bumper. I hope it's useful. Please like and subscribe, and sort of feel free to watch any of my other videos. I plan on doing some other how-to videos and reviewing different parts of my car, and obviously having a look at different cars in the future anyway. But yeah, thank you for watching. Heyo.
Do you like his car? No. Sorry, Jake.
Why are you laughing?
It's just funny the way you're lying on the floor.